Meaning of fringe benefit.
Fringe benefit.
Fringe benefit.
Fringe benefit.
Fringe benefit. A fringe benefit is a type of compensation that an employer provides to their employees in addition to their regular salary or wages. These benefits can include things like health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, and other perks like gym memberships or company cars. Fringe benefits are meant to help attract and retain talented employees by providing additional incentives beyond just the base salary. By offering these types of benefits, employers can improve employee morale and satisfaction, which can ultimately improve productivity and drive business success.